Go. Come on, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Good. Good job. Come on. Dips right off the bench. You got this. Come on. Ready? Go. 1. Go. 2, 3, 4, 5. Come on. 6. Push. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Good, Jacks. Let's go. Come on, get him. Knock him down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Good. Come on, let's get it. Let's go to work. Come on now, if you got to hold on to the rail, hold on to the rail. You got to pick it up. Put some pep in your step. Don't pace yourself, push yourself. Let's go. Come on, all the way. Let's go. Work it. This what you're going to help the cats to tumble and get their shit together. Come on. They're going to see how hard you working, and they're going to start pushing themselves harder. They're going to see how good your body getting in shape every day. Not every week, every day. Getting in better shape every day. Come on, that's 2. There you go, push it. Good. All the way up. That's 3. One more. Good. Nope. Go up. Almost done. Good. Come out here, step out here, take a breather, because we're going to do one more thing out here before we go back in. So step out here for a second and just get some of this good air.